Welcome to your training video on the Nespresso Essenza Plus machine. The first video here is simply on the unboxing of the machine. So right next to me, I have the machine in its shipping carton. We're going to talk about a few things that are on the shipping carton that are useful to us. So right here, there's a sticker on the shipping carton with the SKU number or the Nesoft reference code that we use to sell the product. So that is C45 US-BK-NE. Now that tells us some things about the machine. C45 tells us the model number. So this is a C45. We have C models and we have D models. So this will be C45 or D45. Now the C in our trade accounts, remember the C is co-branded by Breville and the D is co-branded by DeLonghi. So that's what the first part tells us. US tells us it's a United States machine. BK tells us that it's black. And the NE at the end tells us that it's Nespresso branded only. So I know that this is a C model that's only going to say Nespresso. If it were a Breville model, it would end in BV instead of NE. And then you would actually see Breville on the machine itself. If it was DeLonghi, it would end in DL. But remember, only a D45 would be DeLonghi. So that tells you a little bit about how the SKU works. Underneath that, we have that it's a household coffee machine, so it's meant for use in a household standard outlet, not on a boat, not on a plane, not on a train, even an RV isn't the best circumstance for the machine, household use. It says right here, Essenza Plus, C45, Limousine Black is the actual name of the color, and then we have the voltage specifications. Because it is a US machine, it's 120 volts, 60 hertz, and it even tells us the wattage of the machine right here. Now there's a barcode. This barcode isn't really useful to us in any way, but over here it does tell us that the machine is made in China. Now there is a barcode that is useful to us, and that barcode is right here. This silver sticker has a number underneath the barcode that's 19 digits, an alphanumeric that starts with a 1. That's our unique Nespresso serial number. So that is the number that we always get from the customers. It's in many more places than the shipping carton. So now that we've talked about the shipping carton, we can take it out. And this is what Nespresso calls the pretty box. So now that I have it out of the shipping carton, I've got the pretty box. Now, there are some stickers on here that are important too. So here I can see that there is another barcode with that alphanumeric serial number underneath. I can also see the SKU number. I can see that it's household use. All of that information is here as well. And now I can take it out of the pretty box. So I'm going to take these little flaps out. And now that I have it open, I can take out my user manual. So this is very important. I'm just going to set it to the side. I also have a sampler pack that's got some capsules in it for me to use. Now this is actually the old sampler pack. I didn't have a new one today, so I'm just using the old sampler pack. And then we have the machine itself. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to remove the machine. And one of the spare parts is separate, so I'm going to take that out as well. And now I can get rid of the pretty box. Now, on the bottom of the machine, I'm just going to remove the water tank here for a second, and I'm going to expose the bottom of the machine. On the bottom of the machine, there's a permanent sticker that also has a barcode and our Nespresso serial number on it. And then if you'll notice right here on the capsule container, there's another sticker that has the serial number on it. So the serial number is in many, many places, very easy to find. And I'm going to take this out, and I wish that customers would do this. It's so great if you just take your serial number sticker off, just peel it off, and then put it someplace where you're going to be able to find it, which is a great thing to do. Like if I just put it on the back of the user manual, then I have it there to reference all the time. All right, so that concludes your first video, the unboxing of the Essenza Plus machine.